Are you tired of dealing with text that just doesn't look right? If you've ever found yourself frustrated by missing spaces after dots and commas, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve that problem using Python Regex. I completely understand how annoying it can be when your text looks unprofessional because of formatting issues. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many people face similar challenges when working with strings in Python. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how can I add a space after dots and commas in my string? They provided an example string that looks like this. This is a text. This is another text. It has no space after the comma. Sound familiar? If so, let's work through this together. So what's the issue here? The problem arises because the user wants to format their string correctly by adding spaces after both dots and commas. This can be tricky with Regex, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make working with strings in Python even easier. To begin solving this issue, the user should import the regular expression module in Python. This module will allow us to work with patterns in strings effectively. Next, the user needs to define the original string that contains the text. This is the string we will be modifying to add spaces after the dots and commas. Now, the user can create a regular expression pattern that matches both dots and commas. This pattern will help us identify where to add the spaces. After defining the pattern, the user should use the resub function to replace occurrences of the pattern with the same character followed by a space. This will effectively add the spaces where needed. Finally, the user can print the modified string to see the result. This will show the text with spaces added after the dots and commas. Fun fact, did you know that Regex stands for regular expressions? It's a powerful tool that can save you tons of time when working with text. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that you can achieve this without using Regex. They recommend using the replace method in Python. First, replace each dot with a dot followed by a space, and then do the same for commas. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your regex patterns with different strings to ensure they work as expected. This will save you from unexpected surprises later on. And there you have it. You should now be able to add spaces after dots and commas in your strings effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips and don't forget to check out our next video for more Python tricks.